Current hex cost generally is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. Hex cost examination basically is negative today, which generally is very critical. First help level for hex basically is at $0.030, showing how hex cost examination especially is negative today, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. 23 July 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through hex cost examination for now or for the following week and generally attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified some things, facts. What in every way that really matters is by and large momentary cost expectation for hex truly is hex a wise venture, or so they truly thought. Hex help and opposition levels and so forth, or so they basically thought. However, prior to jumping kind of profound into the hex specialized investigation, certainly let us really discuss the kind of current economic situations, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,207,461,109,687 in every practical sense. Further appearance, how hex help and opposition levels, and so forth in a very enormous manner. The truly absolute exchanging volume by and large stands at $23,363,779,520. Which in a real sense is very critical. Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, certainly further appearance, how 23 July 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through hex cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time. Most certainly clarified some pressing issues, facts. What by and large is truly transient cost expectation for hex, generally is hex a very wise venture, which in every practical sense, is genuinely huge, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level, after a vertical development of 1.17% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours, which truly is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents, following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time span. So while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents, following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time span, which in a real sense is very huge. BNB, the truly local coin of BNB, fundamentally is up by 0.7 and at present, exchanging at $243.64 in a truly significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,207,461,109,687. Especially further appearance how hex help and opposition levels and so forth, which explicitly is very huge. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market basically is going in an essentially descending heading for in every practical sense. Present moment further appearance. How hex cost examination sort of is negative today in a genuinely huge manner. Right now, a sort of broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Hex help and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense, distinguish truly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, by and large further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents. In the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there for the most part was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the all things considered, whole digital money market to $1,207,461,109,687, by and large further appearance, how hex help and opposition levels, and so on, or so they for the most part thought. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers explicitly become commonly more genuinely dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors generally move genuinely dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Most certainly further appearance. How which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $30,172.69 level after a vertical development of 1.17%, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of hex. Hex execution. The in every practical sense, day-to-day graph of hex generally shows that the hex value sort of has an all things considered descending development with a 1.19% decline in beautiful beyond 24 hours, showing how these occasions essentially demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a fundamentally descending course for sort of present moment, especially further appearance. How hex cost examination explicitly is negative today in an unobtrusive manner. The value worth of the hex coin certainly is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, showing how support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers certainly become sort of more genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they generally thought. Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume especially is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars, which truly shows that help in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers become genuinely more sort of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which basically is genuinely huge. Hex value examination. Hex cost examination for 23 July 2023, inside a sort of everyday time span, generally made sense of underneath in a for the most part significant manner. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including extremely straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving fundamentally normal, EMA, to truly break down the future development of the hex.THEMACD line in every practical sense, is remaining underneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, so which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level after a vertical development of 1.17%, which basically is very huge. Hex financial backers need to by and large hang tight for any directional change over the in every practical sense day-to-day outline, exhibiting what sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level after a vertical development of 1.17% in a quite enormous manner. Hex basically hasn't actually